Does look like those.
Yeah.
You got a cute butt too. You got a hairy back and a cute butt. That's all you need in life, mister. Alright. Just gonna do his throw up with the catheter. You're in my spot. You're throwing me off, by the way. No, that's alright.
See, I don't like that one. They're right here.
Just gonna get that gurgle out of the back of his throat there. Oh, that feels good. You feel better?
Yeah, we got it.
You got
Actually,
it?
I'm taking a video right now, so.
Okay.